Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I am working on how to knit the lace leaf bobble stitch socks. I'm almost done, so stay tuned for the tutorial. I just love how it's becoming. I am knitting the socks with 12% cashmere, and I just can't explain how it feels on your feet. So I would highly recommend, if you find a yarn like this in a great price, don't miss it out. So I already did the tutorial on how to knit the cuff and the lace stitch pattern, so you can go and refer to that. So stay tuned, the tutorial's coming up. I might, if I finish it on time, I might post it tonight or tomorrow morning. You can watch it. I'm almost at the toe area, so stay tuned for the tutorial. Happy knitting! Bye-bye.